Yes.
Here, on the last occasion, one sometime was granted to me for to incorporate the instruction that I received.
2022 and
23 for hearing active.
okay.
So Your Lordship, 1 week may be granted to me so that I can find this instruction by you affidavit, Your Lordship.
MS Levika, the learned government advocate, is allowed to file additional affidavit on the instructions she had recently received, listed accordingly. Yes.
Yes.
For motion, item number 1.
Thank you, Your Lordship. I received the instruction.
Yes.
And the future cases on the proceed. And instead, it's a word for you.
You give him a copy, let him see, let him come with instructions if necessary. Take instructions and come. Okay. When do we list it? 2 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, is allowed 2 weeks to receive necessary instructions on the letter dated 24/10/2024, which is placed by the government advocate before this court, listed accordingly. Okay, come with instructions. I think.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes.
In opposition on the 6th of May. I sent a copy to the petitioners this morning.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Have you received the copy? MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, is allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents, if so advised.
For admission, item number 3.
That is about it.
Yes.
Notify for respondent number 1 report of it. I need to receive instructions from like this. And I had a 3 weeks time.
You were also supposed to file affidavit, ma'am. You have filed? You file your affidavit? No. Okay. But the learned government advocate, as well as the learned counsel for the respondent number 5, are allowed 3 weeks time to file their respective affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 4.
Status file the affidavit, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Copy will be sent to the petitioner during the hospital.
Yes, you are for?
Yes,
You have filed your affidavit?
Lordship.
Okay. The government advocate has filed the affidavit, and a copy of the same is served to the learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed to receive instructions on the affidavit filed by the petitioner and file reply if so advised. Listed accordingly, listed after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 5.
Recusal document. Lordship, I'm not using this one, is document. Lordship, I'm going to write down.
Okay. MSS Chang? Yes, you are for? You have filed your affidavit?
No.
MSS Chang, the learned government advocate, as well as Mrs. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the respondent number 5 are both allowed 3 weeks time to file their respective affidavit in opposition.
For admission, item numbers 6 to 10.
Recusal, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I recommend on behalf of individual additional document. The additional is under preparation, Lordship. Sometime.
Affidavit?
It's under preparation, Lordship. They are doing now,
Okay.
we are not filed, Lordship.
Ah,
If I may make a reference to order 6. It's 602 to 2025.
what was that? What was it?
Response regarding to file the affidavit without fail.
It's all right, it's all right.
After this, on 3 separate occasions, they were given time to file their affidavits on or before the next date.
What is your case? What is your case?
My case is, we are praying for revision of pay. The petitioners are enjoying the revision of pay of 2029, whereas now they.
Okay, no urgency. If you have a right, you get it retrospectively. MSS Chang. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Im Tim Sung, the learned additional AG, and 6 adjournment of the case for 3 weeks to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. The learned additional AG shall make an endeavor to file the affidavit in opposition on or before the next date without fail. Okay.
Lordship, Lordship.
For admission, item number 11.
Lordship.
Ah, okay, all the respondents are filed. You want to file reply affidavit to whose affidavit? Government? Good, okay. MS so. Learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent as well as by the respondent number 5. If so advised. Listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 12.
Yes.
Lordship, if in last 2 weeks time to file affidavit, affidavit in person, filed by the state respondent.
Affidavit in reply.
Lordship.
You're for? Oh, you're for the petitioner. Is allowed. Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is further allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply, listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 13.
Yes, Mr. TB.
The file and the black regulate money and consider the issue involved in nothing can be disposed of, tomorrow, or nothing can be registered for more ownership.
I don't know whether,
So respondent is yet to receive instruction. Okay. And
what is the matter, Mr. TB?
Lordship, the matter is just the appointment of GB of
Oh.
electoral division. Now,
Tilaka village.
and as per semi customer practice, your lordship. GB Chilton is paid.
Ah,
Now, here, your lordship. Dispute arose between the petitioner and the respondent were for. And therefore, your lordship, the petitioner has filed a civil suit 1 of 2024 before the Board of London Civil Justice in Dimapur. Praying for a decree declared his right for appointment as GB of the local village, your lordship. Now, with pendency of the civil suit, respondent number 4 was appointed as GB by the state respondent, your lordship, and we got not a subject matter in the civil suit. Therefore, your lordship, the petitioner was compelled to approach this on the root table, challenging the appointment of the respondent number 4 at GB during the pendency of the civil suit, your lordship.
is the petitioner one Mr. Pushto? Then maybe, I think I may not be the right person to take up this issue.
That's
Because our world, our society is so small. Every time we meet on and off.
then your lordship, appropriate order will be passed.
Listed before any other bench without me.
Oh,
For admission, item number 14.
May I please come?
Yes, Mr. N. Angami.
Lordship, by order dated 25/4/2025,
Yes.
the Honorable Court has given me a last chance to file my affidavit.
So you want another last chance?
Yes, but however, I have not received the reverse comment. This matter was actually listed for motion only on 5/3/2025.
Ah,
However, since it matters to the payment of the contract bills, the petitioner has shown some urgency. That is how this order was passed, Lordship.
where is the petitioner?
After giving me the last chance, I failed to find them in the court. They were gone. I'm also been looking for them. Lordship.
Okay, none appears for the petitioner, listed after 2 weeks. In the meantime, you,
After 3 weeks, Lordship, is pending.
okay,
I'm
listed after 3 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged. Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, item number 15 also I have a similar prayer, Lordship.
Who is the petitioner? Item 15.
Same, Lordship.
Okay, same.
I'm deeply obliged. Lordship.
For admission, item number 16.
Yes, I think you were supposed to file
On
affidavit.
behalf of
empty.
Mosan, since he is yet to receive instruction notice.
You are Muslim.
No, behalf of Mosan. He's yet to receive instruction.
So here it is written. M. Longcomer, learned
Yes, sir.
additional advocate general. Mistake? During the last time, this MSP Chano, learned government advocate, makes a mention on behalf of M. Longcomer, learned additional AG. I think
Okay. Yet to receive.
okay, so acha, I think this is by mistake. He is Mr. Your Ajungli, Ajungli Sanctum. Learned Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Longcomer, learned government advocate, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks to file affidavit in opposition. Prayers allowed, listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 17.
So Lordship, I will have my senior person for petition from now.
Okay.
Lordship, my senior is on the specific.
Who is your senior? No name. Anungla. Pleadings are complete. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be listed for hearing. Stop, listed for hearing in the usual course.
For admission, item number 18.
Chief,
Yes.
here I'm appearing for respondent 2, 4, and 5. I'll be filing my affidavit in constitute.
Petitioners agree with the information. 35 lakhs. You're for the ma'am?
2, 4, and 5.
You for, and what about, madam? You're for?
Respondent 1, 1, and 3.
1 and 3. 1 and 3. Two, 4, and 5. Okay, okay. So you both will be filing the affidavit?
I'll be filing today. in constitute.
What about, madam?
Lordship, I need instruction from the department. 1 and 3 about it.
Okay. Who is for the petitioner, Mr. YP Gupta? None appears for the petitioner. MS, your good name? Kovi, Krovi. The learned counsel for the respondent number 4, 5, 2, 4, and 5 submits that she will be filing the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the said respondent in the course of the day. Stop MS AIME, learned government advocates 6 for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition, correct? Listed after 3 weeks for enabling the learned government advocate to file the affidavit in opposition. Okay.
For admission, item number 19.
Yes.
So I would actually satisfy the.
You have received the instructions?
Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am. MS Pichano, the learned government advocate, submits that she has received the instructions from the respondents and would require 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Stop. List the case after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 20.
Yes.
Lordship, can you grant me stand from the grant?
Yes, madam, actually, the case of the petitioner is under consideration. So even if you retire, you will get your benefit since your case is under consideration by the government. What is this letter 29 for 2025? Is the copy of the letter dated 29 for written to the government by the wherein it has been committed. Yes, place the letter. Yes, you were supposed to place the letter 28 for 2025 in the form of an affidavit.
Okay.
Yes.
When
When are you retiring? June. Okay. So we give you 1 week's time. 1 week's time, okay? Because actually, I think if the case of the petitioner is under consideration, you may not have to write much. You were only supposed to place that letter 28 for 2025. Okay. MS Pichano. Shall file the affidavit complying with this court's order dated 2/5/2025 within a period of 7 days from today. Okay, listed accordingly. I think only thing is that you are a little lazy. If not, I think writing affidavit on this letter, it will not take time because you are not going to get any instructions. You are just going to place that letter in the form of an affidavit. Can you do it? Okay, okay.
From the supplementary cost list for admission, item number 26.
Papa Cognac, yes.
Yes, also, I already received the regulation order from states. So my prayer is already been transmitted.
Where is that?
That is from 18.
Yes, madam, they have the letter. He should have at least given you this letter to Nizo and Angami. You have been regularized in service. Mr. Hassan Luhim, the learned counsel for the petitioner, by placing the letter dated 8/5/2025 and the office order dated 18/3/2025, passed by the chief engineer, PhD, Nagaland, Kohima, submits that the relief sought for in the writ petition has been redressed. Comma, he therefore has instructions not to press the writ petition. Stop. The writ petition is accordingly closed as not pressed. Do you have another copy? Kindly make a photocopy, okay? The photocopy of the letter dated 8/5/2025 and the office order dated 18/3/2025 shall be placed on record. MS S. Chung, learned counsel, appears on behalf of Mr. N. Angami, the learned senior government advocate. Kindly make a photocopy and then place it on record. Writ petition disposed. Okay.
Yes.
For orders, item number 21.
Yes.
First, I recognize I need to receive instructions so I'm going to extend my final.
Yes, ma'am. Have you filed your, madam, have you filed your additional affidavit? You have filed? Just wait, okay? Let additional affidavit as per the court's order. Just wait. You are rushing things as if I am to run away. MS S. Chung, the learned government advocate, is further allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. Office note dated 15/5/2025 shows that service report in respect of respondent number 6 and 7 still awaited. Listed after 3 weeks. Interim order is there. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return will be. Okay.
For orders, item number 22.
What is this case with the?
I for modification.
Oh. This is that case relating to assistant headmaster and all this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, the world is too small. I have been receiving so much of approaches, so much of phone calls. One thing of having this video conferencing, it is also advantageous, at the same time it is disadvantage. Everybody knows who is the judge who will be taking up, when is the matter coming up for hearing, everybody. I think it'll be good if an outside judge. Okay. Yes, we will pass. There was urgency, but I think even those persons, I think they also had the urgency to approach the judge.
Actually, if they file a filing of motion within 10 days, we can dispose of this. It's short matter, only question of law. All respondents are part of the except newly that's why newly implemented people have, if they have filed within 10 days on merit, only question of law.
Newly implemented is Lima. Oh, you are not the petitioner?
Yes,
You are the petitioner?
I'm a petitioner.
Oh,
I'm the interpreter. And lordship, in the writ petition, the petitioner are not aggrieved with regard to our seniority. However, by the interim order, our rights and interests have been affected. And we will do the zone for consideration for promotion to the next high post for headmaster. However, because of this interim order, our promotion has been kept on hold. And now.
you are senior. You are senior.
Yes.
Just outside the court, I'm hearing this now.
Lordship express, lordship view otherwise, I want to tell that all of us were being regularized on the same day. And there's a guideline that if all of us have been regularized or on the same day, how we determine the seniority? Whether by age factor, so I don't know, but lordship has explained.
Yes.
That's why I don't want to tell anything now. We are
So,
regularized on the same day, not senior to us. Record speaks.
However, in the writ petition, para two, they have clearly stated they are agreed with regard to respondent number 337 and not us. However, by this interim
No,
order,
that has all responded, that will be, it'll be in all fairness, you should be decided on at one go, not in.
Ismail.
So that will, in fact, we just,
some of the interveners, they are on the verge of retirement. So until and unless this IAS is.
so both the parties tell your persons not to approach any judge. There is urgency and let the judge close eyes and dispose of as per the
The
merits.
state are yet to file.
I would request, if my learned friend file affidavit in opposition within 2 days, I can file within a day and we can dispose of within 10 days. The whole.
Yes,
You have filed your affidavit?
I won't be filing my affidavit.
So then fix
In
for
the
hearing,
petition,
then fix for
there's
hearing,
nothing against.
fix for hearing them.
But I can't even pass that. Listed before another bench
Yes.
without me. I'm extremely sorry. Okay.
That is the problem local matter. Now,
For hearing, item number 25.
What does this matter?
No, this is regarding.
If it is time consuming, no hearing. If it is time consuming, no hearing. I have very less time.
Mine will be very brief. It pleases my work.
Mr. Yangavati, you are for this. Well, what is the case?
First, this is regarding.
Pardon? This is, please wait. This is disciplinary proceedings. I'm sorry. I think it will take some time. Okay, I'm sorry. Listed after 2 weeks. Listed after 2 weeks on 12/6. Mr. Yangabuti, 10/6/2024. Okay.